I'm ready for Easter.
We're going to get started so you can get your crafts done early for Easter. Today I'm going to show you some spring ideas and I'm going to embroider on a placemat for you. Let's get started. Today we're using water-soluble stabilizer. It's sticky back. Okay, when you hoop this, the paper comes to the top. And I have a used needle here, and I'm just going to score the paper. Now the hoop is going to go in this way. So I'm going to come down here. As you can see, I printed out my bunny and it's going to go right in there. So I'm going to put it right here. And just to be on the safe side, I got my paper tape. Okay. I have a glitter vinyl that we're going to use for the bunny. And you gotta remember to take this plastic off of the glitter. Now I got a big piece of glitter vinyl and I'm putting it on here just to hold it in place. Because this is a raw edge applique that we're doing with the glitter vinyl. Now let's go to the machine. Okay, I already selected the design and the hoop. We're going to do the trace. That looks good. We're going to press start. Now we're going to take the hoop out and we're going to trim it. Take my applique scissors. Now this vinyl glitter comes in all different colors. You don't have to use pink. Make sure you cut up to the stitch line without cutting the stitch line. Now the bunny is all trimmed and we're going to put it back on the machine. Start. The embroidery is finished. Okay, the back is water soluble. You can spritz it with water and it will go away. Now I'm going to turn it over and I have my little wool mat here. Anything that is ironable and a piece of Teflon sheet. And I got my little iron and I'm just going to heat press this down. There it is. It's done. This design will be in the link below for you to use. It's a free design for you. So I want to see all your stuff that you have done with your bunny rabbit. You don't have to use heat vinyl. It's up to you what you want to do. So I want to see your bunny rabbits. Now I got something else to show you. I did a napkin with a freestanding lace egg ornament. And I put mylar in it and I just tied it around it and it goes good with my placemats. And as you can see, I did a little centerpiece here. I have my Easter tree here. I grew up with Easter tree. We didn't have the lace ornaments like this. We took our regular eggs and had to color them and blow the eggs out. And I know I'm showing my age. I mean, we did this and it was so fun because it was springtime. Okay, we're done for this episode today. Subscribe, like. If you have any ideas what you want us to do on this craft episode, just make a comment below. I'll be glad to share it with you. Till next time,